Okay, so we're up at Griffin's shop and we got to move these books and a couple of these cars out of the way so that he's got some people that are going to come and put the roll-up doors on each end, these big huge garage doors, and these are going to get mounted in the next couple of days, and so we've got to move this car out of the way.
To Lincoln Cosmopolitan.
Yeah, this thing is cool. Look at this. Let me turn on my phone light. Yeah, that's awesome. I love this car. This is a really cool looking car. And see, it's got some flats, so we may have to do some maneuvering to get this thing in, but we got to get it up farther so that they got room. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to pull his truck in here and use it to move some stuff around. And this is not four-wheel drive. We're going to see how this goes. It should be pretty fun. We may have to find some wood to make some little ramps, but we'll see what happens. I gotta show this. Look at this lip. Oh, there was a piece of PVC there. Okay, I didn't see that. That helped for sure, but this is a good truck, I'll tell you that. If you ever have a chance to get a Toyota product, highly recommend it. Yeah, it's no problem. I'm gonna try to just go under it.
Skid steer over here.
Yeah.
Now I do have a short chain too, Brad.
You do? Actually, that would be better. And now I'll hook to that because there's a trying to get it through that little opening. I can get that in there. Yeah, come on back. A little bit further. That's good. We're going to move these two over as well. Dirt dollar.
If we can get to 20.
locked up. This one's locked up, right? All right, so now we have those vehicles moved and they can get to those doors and put those doors on. And then we'll finally be able to start doing stuff here at the shop. We were waiting on that to happen. The next thing on this is putting electric in. And then we need to get, we're going to bring either the skid steer over here or a forklift so we can move all these boxes of books and stack them up somewhere, and we'll have more space then. Move this trailer and then we're done.
I still like these hitches a whole lot better.
This is the trailer that we use to bring every one of these vehicles over here. The ones that weren't able to be driven, we put on this trailer right here. Okay, we've got everything exactly where we wanted it, and next thing they're going to put the doors in, and then this shop will be ready to do work in.